What if I told you most beginners struggle not because of skill, but because they start with the wrong paddle? Today we're exploring the best beginner pickleball paddles to make learning easier, smoother, and way more fun. Welcome to the channel, friends. Links are in the description. Grab yours and start winning sooner than you think. The number 6 product on our list is RAINIER Pickleball Paddle. Most beginners step onto the court thinking a paddle won't make much difference, until they finally hold one that actually lifts their confidence instead of weighing it down. That's exactly the shift this one delivers from the first swing. The graphite carbon fiber face brings a crisp, controlled feel that instantly makes your placement tighter and your spin more deliberate. It gives every shot a sense of purpose, especially for new players trying to understand touch and power without feeling overwhelmed. The wider design adds a sense of safety, turning off-center hits into playable returns and giving you that reassuring stability so many starter paddles fail to offer. Compared to basic fiberglass options, this one feels more responsive, yet surprisingly forgiving, helping newcomers grow into their technique rather than punishing their mistake. The polymer core reduces vibration and adds a soft, comfortable pop that keeps your arm fresh during longer matches. That alone solves one of the biggest beginner struggles, fatigue and discomfort after only a few games. It feels light, maneuverable, and easy to handle during fast rallies, making tricky moments at the net feel less intimidating. The design looks clean and modern, something that adds a small but meaningful boost of confidence when you step on the court. Now, it's not flawless. Power hitters may want a slightly heavier head for deeper drives, and players craving extreme spin might prefer a rougher carbon texture. But for new athletes, improving players, or anyone searching for a smart, comfort-forward paddle that supports growth without overwhelming them, this one is a genuinely strong pick. It brings control, forgiveness, and dependable performance together in a way that makes learning the game smoother, calmer, and far more enjoyable. At number 5 is AMPICKLE Pickleball Paddle. It's surprising how many beginners think their early struggles come from lack of skill, when in reality, the real issue is using a paddle that works against their natural motion. That's why this one feels like such a refreshing shift the moment you pick it up. The frosted surface immediately gives your shots a controlled, confident spin, helping beginners feel that satisfying grip on the ball that so many entry-level paddles fail to deliver. Every stroke feels smoother and more intentional, especially for players still learning touch and timing. The ultra-lightweight design is a breath of relief for anyone dealing with wrist or shoulder fatigue. Instead of fighting the paddle, you feel supported by it, making longer rallies more enjoyable and far less tiring. The honeycomb core offers a cushioned, consistent pop that helps new players build reliable ball control without feeling overwhelmed. Compared to stiffer, heavier paddles, this one gives a softer, more forgiving feel that builds confidence quickly. The oversized sweet spot is another huge advantage, turning mishits into workable shots and adding that sense of safety during fast kitchen exchanges. The grip feels secure, breathable, and comfortable even in heated games, reducing slippage and allowing beginners to focus on form instead of grip adjustments. The complete set adds real value. Perfect for families, beginners, or anyone wanting to jump straight into the game with quality gear. Now, it's fair to note that advanced spin-focused players may eventually want a raw carbon face for even more bite, and power hitters might prefer a bit more weight. But for new and improving players wanting a smart, confidence-boosting paddle that supports fast growth, this set delivers comfort, control, and an easy learning curve that makes every game more enjoyable. At number 4 is JOOLA Pickleball Paddle. Most new players step onto the court thinking they just need practice, when in reality the biggest boost often comes from using a paddle that actually helps them learn faster. That's exactly the feeling this one delivers from the first swing. There's a smooth, confidence-building pop that makes every shot feel more intentional, almost like the paddle is guiding your hand rather than exposing your mistakes. The generous, sweet spot is a real game-changer for beginners, turning mishits into steady, playable returns and giving you a sense of control that instantly reduces frustration. Compared to cheaper fiberglass paddles, this one brings a more responsive feel without being overwhelming, making it ideal for players transitioning from casual play to something more competitive. The polypropylene honeycomb core adds a soft, forgiving touch that helps calm down vibration and keeps your arm fresh during longer rallies. A small detail that feels like a massive relief for new players who struggle with fatigue early on. The design is lightweight, balanced, and friendly for all ages, making it easy to swing freely without worrying about strain. The grip feels secure, even during high-intensity moments, staying dry and comfortable so you stay focused on your technique rather than adjusting your hand. The included balls and carry bag add great value and make it easy to start playing right away. Now, it's fair to mention that advanced spin-focused players may eventually want a more textured carbon surface, and power hitters might prefer something slightly heavier for deeper drives. But for true beginners, improving players, or families wanting a dependable, easy-to-learn paddle set, this one delivers comfort, consistency, and a smooth learning curve that elevates your game without overwhelming you. The third one on our list is Helium Pickleball Paddle. Some paddles make you work harder to control the game, but every now and then you find one that instantly makes the game feel smoother, easier, and far more fun. That's exactly the shift this set delivers from the first swing. The moment the ball meets the fiberglass face, there's a clean, confident pop that helps beginners feel in control instead of overwhelmed. The paddle strikes that sweet balance between power and forgiveness, especially helpful for players still learning their timing or trying to keep their shots consistent. The honeycomb core gives every hit a cushioned feel, reducing vibrations so your arm doesn't fatigue early, which is a huge relief for new players who spend more time adjusting than enjoying the match. Compared to heavier starter paddles, this one feels lighter and quicker in the hand, helping you react confidently at the kitchen line and swing freely on baseline drives. The wide surface area brings an oversized sweet spot that turns off-center hits into playable returns, making it one of those genuinely friendly options for anyone just stepping into the sport. The comfort grip stands out too. It stays dry, secure, and supportive during long rallies, letting you focus fully on your game instead of constantly readjusting your hold. And the complete 4-paddle set offers incredible value for families, casual groups, or beginners who want to start playing immediately without spending extra on gear. Now, advanced spin-focused players may lean toward textured carbon surfaces later on, and power hitters might eventually want something heavier. But for true beginners, casual athletes, schools, or recreational players wanting reliability, ease, and a smooth learning curve, this set delivers a warm, confidence-building experience that makes every match feel more enjoyable and approachable. Pom number 2 is Selkirk Pickleball Paddle. You don't realize how much a paddle can change your confidence until you swing one that finally feels like it's working with you, not against you. That's exactly the shift this one brings, the moment beginners step onto the court. What grabbed me first was how effortlessly it blends control and comfort, something new players struggle with when every shot feels unpredictable. The graphite surface adds a smooth, forgiving touch that helps beginners place the ball where they actually intend to, while the textured design brings just enough spin to make rallies feel more exciting without overwhelming you. The polymer core softens every hit in a way that feels almost calming, especially for players dealing with mishits, vibration, or early fatigue. Compared to stiffer entry paddles, this one gives you that sense of safety and stability, like you finally have room to grow without being punished for every mistake. The lightweight construction is another relief. Beginners often tire quickly or swing late, and this paddle removes that burden, making movements snappier and footwork more responsive. The cushioned grip truly stands out too. Sweat control, shock absorption, and a shape that feels secure during long sessions, which is something many starter paddles miss. Now, if you're an advanced spin hunter or someone chasing maximum power, you might eventually upgrade to a more aggressive carbon fiber setup. But for new players, casual groups, families, or anyone stepping into pickleball wanting reliability, comfort, and an easy learning curve, this paddle delivers a smooth, confidence-building experience. It feels like that rare beginner-friendly paddle that doesn't hold you back and instead nudges you forward with every shot. Now moving to the last one is Niupipo Pickleball Paddle. Some paddles help you learn the game, but a few actually change how confident you feel the moment the ball leaves the strings. And this is one of those rare beginner-friendly upgrades that instantly makes play feel smoother, lighter, and far more controlled. What struck me first was how forgiving it is, especially for players still figuring out timing, footwork, and consistent ball placement. The fiberglass surface gives every swing a lively pop that feels energizing without being overwhelming, making it easier for new players to build momentum in rallies. The honeycomb core softens vibration beautifully. Beginners who struggle with arm fatigue or elbow discomfort will feel an immediate sense of relief. Almost like the paddle is absorbing the stress for you. Compared to stiffer graphite beginner paddles, this one brings more power with less effort, helping new players experience clean, confident hits quicker. The wide body design is another huge advantage. It expands the sweet spot and reduces those frustrating mishits that often discourage new players. The grip stands out too. Cushioned, moisture-controlled, and shaped perfectly for long sessions, it lets you swing freely without constantly adjusting your hold, and the full set, paddle balls and bag, makes getting started unbelievably simple, especially for families or new players jumping into their first game. Now, advanced spin-focused players might eventually want a textured carbon face, and power-heavy players may lean toward heavier paddles later, but for true beginners or casual players wanting stability, comfort, and an easier path to improvement, this paddle offers a smooth, confidence-boosting experience that genuinely supports growth from day one. So guys, this wraps up our video on the best beginner pickleball paddles you can buy right now. I've added all the product links in the description, so make sure to check them out and grab the one that fits your style and game perfectly. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to hit that like button. It really motivates us to keep bringing you honest, helpful gear guides. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming reviews, comparisons, and buying tips. Your support means everything. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.